Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore an exciting journey and the results will surprise you. Don't take your eyes off the screen. Looking at these old electrical wires, do you think they are valuable resources? The answer is absolutely yes. These seemingly discarded electrical wires are hidden treasures with aluminum metal that can be recycled many times without losing quality. Not only that, their shells are also recycled to create valuable products. Follow me and learn about this whole process. Aluminum is a ubiquitous metal that is present everywhere in our lives. Durable, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion, aluminum plays an indispensable role in industries ranging from construction to consumer goods and electronics. But the most remarkable thing about aluminum is its near infinite recyclability. It can be recycled over and over again without any loss of quality. You know, aluminum is cheaper than copper, so aluminum core wire is also cheaper and more cost-effective. However, due to its high resistance, durability, and poor heat resistance, aluminum core wire is suitable for small and medium-sized electrical appliances. Normally, under normal use conditions, aluminum core wire can be used for 15 to 25 years. And especially, the aluminum recycling process only consumes 5% of the energy compared to aluminum production from ore. This means that we not only save natural resources, but also significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to environmental protection. Today, I will go into each step of the aluminum core wire recycling process with you, from collecting and sorting, separating, crushing, to melting and casting new aluminum ingots. Let's start from the first step. It all starts with the collection and sorting process. As you can see, here is a large wire yard where wires from all over the world are gathered. These wires come from many sources, from construction sites, power plants, households, to decommissioned telecommunication lines. For the recycling process to be effective, the sorting step is extremely important. After sorting, the aluminum core wires will be cut short and the jacket will be stripped. As you can see, each wire is covered with an outer protective layer, a plastic or rubber layer that insulates and protects the aluminum core inside. This is the stripping machine, an important device that helps us remove the outer plastic layer without damaging the aluminum core inside. This stripping machine has high-precision rotating blades that can handle wires from 1 millimeter to 80 millimeters in diameter. As the wire passes through, the blade will gently cut the jacket, leaving only the aluminum inside. Aluminum core wire usually consists of 5 layers. The conductor core is made of pure aluminum or aluminum steel core for increased durability. The insulation layer is usually made of PVC or XLPE to protect the conductor core and prevent short circuit. And finally, the protective layer is usually made of PVC to protect the insulation layer from mechanical and environmental impact. When recycling, these core layers are classified to carry out separate recycling processes. The aluminum cores are collected and taken to a recycling plant, where they are melted at around 800 degrees Celsius. The impurities are removed before the molten aluminum is poured into the casting molds. The molten aluminum is poured into rectangular molds. After cooling, they cool down and are separated from the molds. We have obtained aluminum ingots. The aluminum ingots are heated and flattened. These large drums rotate at high speed, stepping on the aluminum bars to flatten them. After flattening, the aluminum is sent to the forming machine, where the final product is formed, the pots. These pots are further polished, cleaned, and ready for a new life. Let's go back to the sheath. Most of the wire sheath is made of PVC plastic. If released into the environment, will be very harmful. First, the cutter will cut these sheaths into small pieces of 2 to 5 centimeters in size. Next, these small pieces are processed by the crusher into even smaller plastic granules. These plastic granules are then fed into the extruder. The high temperature makes them melt. The molten plastic is extruded through small holes because they are still hot. They are immediately cooled to form long, hard plastic wires. The cutter cuts these plastic wires into small granules, ready for the next process. Now the plastic is mixed with additives to ensure the hardness and quality of the output product. This mixture is fed into the extruder once more. This time, the plastic is pressed into the final product, plastic bicycle parts. The packaged product begins a new life cycle. Isn't that great? Recycling aluminum from wire is not only economically valuable, but also has great environmental significance. When we recycle aluminum, we reduce the need to mine aluminum from bauxite ore, a non-renewable resource. Plastics are also recycled, limiting the impact on the environment and saving resources. The recycling industry also creates jobs and promotes a green economy. This contributes greatly to the circular economy, a more sustainable model for the future. Although the working conditions and machinery in this video are primitive, the significance of this recycling work cannot be denied. So we have gone through the entire aluminum wire recycling process together. From collecting, sorting, peeling, grinding, separating aluminum from plastic, to melting, casting, and creating new products. Every step contributes to a complete recycling journey. This is proof that with just a little effort and technology, we can protect our resources and environment. Thank you for following this journey. Let's support and participate in recycling together, because a green and sustainable planet starts with the smallest things. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you find this video interesting and useful. Goodbye and see you again.